Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Box Governance Retention Schedules, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Box Governance Retention Schedules, begin by logging into your Box account. Navigate to the Admin console from the main dashboard. On the left sidebar, select Governance. Once in the Governance section, click on Retention Schedules. To create a new retention schedule, click the Create Retention Schedule button. Provide a meaningful name for the retention schedule. Next, define the retention type that best suits your needs. You can choose between legal hold or regular retention. If selecting regular retention, specify the duration for which the files should be retained. Optionally, you may add an expiration policy if you want to delete files after a certain period. Next, decide on the triggers for the retention schedule. Triggers can include file upload date, last modified date, or custom events. Once you've set your triggers, review the settings for accuracy. Now, specify which folders or files the retention schedule will apply to. You may choose specific folders or apply it to all folders within a certain level of your Box account. After selecting the appropriate files or folders, click Save to finalize the retention schedule. To activate the schedule, ensure the toggle is switched to on. It's crucial to inform your team about the new retention schedule for compliance and understanding. Repeat this process if you need to create additional retention schedules. Regularly review your retention schedules to ensure they align with your organization's policies. You have now successfully enabled governance retention schedules in Box. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.